Os amigos são a família que escolhemos. São os irmãos que passamos a ter, não por casualidade, e sim por carinho de verdade. E assim como as aves se refugiam nos seus ninhos e os ursos nas suas grutas, a amizade verdadeira é o escudo protetor do ser humano. Talvez nós estivéssemos protegidos até de nós mesmos se todos fôssemos amigos.
To the left, to the left. To the left, to the left.
Think back and talk to me. Did I grow up according to plan? And do you think I'm wasting my time doing things I wanna do? But it hurts when you disapprove all along. And now I try hard to make it. I just wanna make you proud. Good enough for you. Can't pretend that
Yeah. I've been waiting all day for you, babe. So won't you come and sit and talk to me? And tell me how we're gonna be together always. Hope you know that when it's late at night,
let it rain. Come on. Shoulda had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a slap.
Easy no, no need to go down. Rock that run, that this how we frown. Easy no, no need to go down. Easy no, no need to go down. Rock that run, that this how we frown.
Tá vendo aquela moça bem ali?
Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no air.